Pisces, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong New Moon in Cancer sa July 6, 2024, 6:57 a.m. Ayan, so if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan eksaktong araw at oras ng New Moon sa inyong lugar. So, for you Pisces, itong New Moon is happening in your 5th house of your creativity, romance, children, so maraming areas of your life to. And of course, Pisces, this may resonate sa mga Pisces rising, no? But if you are Pisces Moon or Pisces Sun, pwede rin naman mag-resonate kasi meron din tayong mga cards na ipo-pull out, no, for you, for tarot reading. So, Pisces, yes, this is happening in your 5th house of romance. Pwedeng merong bagong romantic connection if you're single. You may be going out on a date kasi Venus is also here eh. Venus is the planet of love, money, aesthetics. So maaring you will be more inspired to meet new people, to go out. Yung iba, maaring meron kayong makikilala through your friends, your siblings, no? Pwedeng kaibigan siya ng kapatid mo, or kaibigan siya ng kapitbahay mo, or kakilala ng tito-tita mo. But this is someone who is somehow may connection sa'yo na pwedeng mag-start ng romantic feelings for you. But this is an energy na yung parang nagsisimula pa lang, hindi pa siya ganun kaseryoso. So, wag mo siyang madaliin rin. Kumbaga, kalmahan mo lang. If you are getting to know someone. But if you are in a relationship, a possibility rito na magkaroon ng pregnancy, no? Oo. So, of course, if you are wanting to be pregnant or gusto mo talaga magkaanak na, no? Then go for it, no? But if you're not yet ready, be careful, no? Alam niyo na, you know how to protect yourself. So 5th house is also about your talents, your creativity. So maaring meron ka mga creative pursuits ngayon na pwedeng magdala ng income sa'yo. Pwedeng magsisimula ka na i-explore yung iyong mga talents, yung skill set mo. Pwede kasing ito ay matagal mo ng plano pero hindi mo talaga ginagawa. Na parang, okay, next time na lang, bukas na lang, sa isang linggo na lang, next month na lang, hanggang sa hindi mo na siya naaasikaso. But I feel like ngayong New Moon in Cancer, you will realize na kailangan mo nang may baguhin sa buhay mo. You need to explore the possibilities. Meron siya kasing positive aspects sa Saturn, which is in retrograde right now. Ibig sabihin, you are reassessing your plans, yung mga pwedeng yung mga tinalikuran mo na hindi mo na sana gagawin, na ipupursue. Let's say, dati may plano ka na magtayo ng music school, pero isip mo na parang mahirap, no? Or that can be challenging for you, parang hindi mo pa kaya. But I feel like now, you are going to gain more confidence. And you will realize kung gusto mo talaga, no? Pwede kasing at the back of your mind lang yan eh, na ito yung gusto kong gawin, pero hindi ka sigurado, hanggang sa na-realize mo na, okay, ile-let go ko na to kasi hindi naman talaga ako sigurado, iba na yung gusto ko. Ganon. So, you also have a positive aspect sa Mars, which is in Taurus in the 3rd house. So, 3rd house is about communication, learning. Some of you, maaring merong mga travel opportunities, short distance travel with your children or with your romantic partner, or meron ka mga asikasuhin related sa mga creative projects mo na kailangan mong mag-travel sa iba't ibang lugar. Ayun. So, example, gusto mo magtayo ng ng karinderya or restaurant. So, syempre, kailangan mo mag-canvas ng mga materyales para doon, di ba? So, may mga pupuntahan kang places, may mga kakausapin kang contractors, mga raw materials, things like that. So, it's kind of busy, pero may enjoy mo. Let's see what else. Pisces. Oh, you have the sun. Speaking of ma-enjoy mo. Yung iba talaga rito may baby na parating. It's either buntis na kayo ngayon, manganganak na kayo, or someone in your family. You have the Fool. Uy, so you're going to take some risk about something na interesado ka, kaya pinag-aaralan mo to. You have the Four of Swords. Okay, so I think this is the reassessing your situation, no? Ito yung parang feeling mo ang bilis ng mga pangyayari na gusto mong sabihin na, oops, teka lang, parang ang bilis Ganon. Na, let's say, for example, you want to start a new business, and then, kasi pag nagsimula ka na mag-research, maghanda, take that step, parang ang bilis na kung saan-saan ka na makakarating. So, kumbaga, for you, maghihinay-hinay ka muna after learning it. Kasi syempre, you don't want to risk too much. Hindi mo naman gugustuhin na i-risk lahat, tapos wala nang matitira sa'yo. So, kumbaga, well-calculated risk ang dapat. Oo, ang gagawin mo. You also have the Knight of Cups. Oh, someone here is going to offer love, no? Pwedeng talagang merong new romantic connection here, especially kung nanggaling ka na sa isang, toxic situation, toxic relationship, and you feel na ito na yung tamang panahon to start a new connection, relationship, lalo na kung merong potential partner sa tabi mo kasi na-realize mo na, naka-move on ka na from your past. And it's time to enjoy and have fun. And be with someone na meron kayong parehong interest sa buhay. Yung sinasabi nila, YOLO, you only live once. So might as well enjoy while you can. Okay, so we have the Clover. Wow, so itong Clover is about good luck, fortune. So I see some good luck sa inyo, sa mga ipupurso nyo ngayon, lalo na kung talagang malakas ang loob mo na gawin yan. You feel like you have so much talents and skills and confidence na simulan na yan. Okay? You also have energy ng lady. So this is a female energy or someone like a feminine energy who is, pwedeng ikaw to, this is your energy, or the person na very supportive of you. You also have Birch Rod. Oh, itong Birch Rod is this harmony or conflict with someone. So, some of you maaring magkaroon ng conflict with a person, like especially a female energy, no? Pwedeng kapatid, kaibigan, romantic partner, or parents mo. And you also have Sun. I think kahit na magkaroon ng challenges or conflict with someone, eventually maayos nyo rin naman. Ang importante lang kasi dyan is you are willing to sort things out. Oo, napag-uusapan ninyo. And normal naman na minsan may mga indifferences, may mga hindi pinagkakasunduan. Sabi nga you have to agree to disagree. Kanya-kanya tayo ng opinion, wag niyo na lang hayaan na maapektuhan yung samahan ninyo, no? It's a matter of how you respect other people's beliefs, yung mga pananaw nila sa buhay, 'di ba? Yung choices nila. You also have Crossroad. Crossroad is about decision making. So yung iba sa inyo meron kayong important decision making ngayon. Maaring sa mga gusto nyong i-pursue sa buhay, if you are really willing to open up with someone romantically. Okay, let's see what else. Leave the past behind. O, ayun na, may let go ka from your past. Anything that is no longer serving your highest good. So, I think kaya rin naka-move on ka na yun. And you are ready for a new beginning. A fiery climax approaches. So, some of you talaga merong intense na energy between you and someone. Pwedeng may disagreement. So, if ma-experience nyo yan, kalmahan nyo na lang yung sarili nyo, umiwas na lang sa bugso ng damdamin para syempre makaiwas rin sa conflict. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!